Hello children, this is Manish Sir, and today I am going to do the remaining paragraphs for the chapter Reach on the Top. This video is very special for all those children of class 9th. So let you be attentive and go through the explanation and paragraphs line by line. During the 1992, as you could see the paragraph, that is during the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. It was the time of 1992 and Everest mission was going on. In that mission, a climber was helped a special care by Santosh Yadav, who was dying at the South Pole. The climber was just in the dying position and he was about to die. He was not able to move a single step anymore. Santosh Yadav just gave a special care to that climber. She looked after and cared and she encouraged the climber. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him, but she could not resuscitate and save him, the climber. The climber was dead. She could not save him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. She managed to save another climber. Another climber was there except the dead one, and she helped Mohan Singh. The second climber was Mohan Singh, and he was helped by Santosh Yadav, and she not shared her oxygen with him. Just he was also in the same fate and he was about to die, but he was saved and rescued by Santosh Yadav. So in this paragraph, the narrator had describes about the you can say caring and social steps as well as politeness in Santosh Yadav. She was very polite and very kind-hearted lady. She helped two people, but she could save only one of them. He was Mohan Singh. Next, let you know, within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. Within 12 months after her great achievement in her life, Santosh was invited as a member of an Indo-Nepalese, it was women's expedition, to join the team. She then scaled the Everest a second time, and after joining the team, she scaled Mountain Everest second time again, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. And she was the first woman across the world who scaled Mount Everest two times, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineers. And she got in India a unique place in the annals of mountaineers. She is known across the world for her great achievements. She achieved and scaled Mount Everest 2 times, and she is known as the greatest mountaineer. She got a good and unique place in the annals of mountaineers. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. You know, the top honor awards which is given to the top honored persons in the world and the country. So it was a Padma Shri award which was just bestowed upon her at one's nation's top honors, and she was given the Padma Shri as the award when she scaled Mount Everest twice. Next paragraph, that is 10th, describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world. When she went on the top of the world, when she achieved great goal which was a little bit impossible for other mountaineers, she describes her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world. Santosh has said that it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink. We take some time to sink in the enormity of the moment without being encouraged and motivated. We can't do something in our life that is challenging. We need some time to start and sink in the enormity of the moment. But then what did she do? Then she unfurled the Indian tricolor flag and held it aloft the roof of the world. She hoisted the flag, tricolor flag of her nation, that is Indian flag, on the roof of the world. It was just metaphorically, it is known as the roof of the world, where she was standing. Mount Everest, it is the highest peak of the world, so it was the roof of the world, I think. So this word symbolizes that highest place of the world. She unfurled the Indian tricolor flag. The feeling is indescribable. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world, and she has no word to describe her feelings because it is indescribable, and the Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. And after achieving a great goal in her life, she felt proud of herself and to be an Indian. Also, a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas as the symbol that I have achieved and scaled Mount Everest twice. She collected some 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalaya, and just she carried the garbage to the downhill on the ground so that it would be clear to every visitors and every people of India about her achievement. So it was a great achievement in the life of Santosh Yadav, and you could see some words have been given in the right margin of the page. Sinking to be understood and held in aloft, held it up high. Hoisted the flag and fervent, having strong and sincere feeling. These words have been given as the hint, and that's it for this video. Keep learning,